Hey guys, I just wanted to show you one or two things regarding ModPath, just on how you install it. So this is my web browser, and so this is the site for ModPath. You've got ModPath version 7, and you've got ModPath version 6 down here. Now last year we used ModPath version 6. We're going to continue to use ModPath version 6. Basically, I think we're kind of in ModPath in kind of a transition state with regards to the floppy integration. So yeah, we'll just keep going with ModPath version 6 for this year. So if you're Windows, you want to go ahead and download this, and what it will look like is so my commands are just L is short for ls. So yeah, I'm just going to change it to I've already downloaded this file. I just wanted to check, just show you what the file looks like when you unzip it. So it looks something, oh crap, oh there we go, something like this. So you've got an example files, you've got document, or documents, the bin, which has got the executable in, the source code, and some of the releases and readmes. So if you just change it to the bin, there's your mod path. So Windows, that should be fine to run on yours. So you'll just, as per usual, like you were running the MF 2005, i.e. this one here, this executable. That's the one you've been running to date. You'll just, in your code, in your line here, executable name, for when you get into the modpath section, you'll just direct it to your MP6 file on the Windows style. And if you're not Windows, there's a slight, if you are Windows, you could stop watching this video right now. If you're not Windows, you're a Mac person, continue to watch. So what you want to do is, the problem with this file, this mp6.exe, is it's built for a Windows operating system. So we have to build our own one effectively. Slight problem is this version, or the downloadable file you can get from the ModPath website, doesn't include a couple of things that make our life fairly easy. So what we've got to do is build it. It's called building from source. We did this previously for some of you Mac people for the ModPath. For the ModFlow 6 release or 7 release or whatever it is we use in this practical. So what you do for this, so let's just change back up to our usual. I'll just show you where I am. This is where I keep all my ModPath files and ModFlow files. ModFlow 2005 is what we're running on. It's in Applications, ModFlow exe. So it's just in my... You can keep it wherever you want, but I just keep it here because it's kind of useful. ModFlow exe, so it's just a folder containing some executables. Yeah, so it's just got ModPath 6. I've downloaded these 6. So what we actually want to do is we want to let me just clear this screen so we don't have so much crap on that. Clear screen. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to go to a, long story short, ModFlow people release something called PyMake, which just makes the ModFlow executables. It's just a very handy set of scripts. So you can just copy that address, and then we go git clone as per usual. We're going to just do it in that directory because that's where I want to put it. So it closes in, and that's done. So yeah, then we can see PyMake is just here at the bottom. We've just downloaded that, so I'm just going to change the directory into there. And I can see a load of files. What you want to do is you want to go into examples, so cd into examples. And then inside of here, you see this file make modpath 6. So you want to run Python make modpath 6.py. Okay, and then primate so it's just doing a load of things. If you have issues with these commands, so that command was Python make modpath 6.py, and that's running inside of this directory. And yeah, if you have any problems doing this, it's probably going to be something to do with G4tran or GCC, and usually you can install something with brew, which is kind of what we did a while ago, but you all should have those repositories. That's where I could foresee errors coming in. Yeah, it's this sort of G4tran compiler that Intel developed. Anyway, so inside of here, we've got this new folder called temp. Let me just change this view. Yeah, here's temp. So temp inside of there is MP6. MP6. It also it's also downloaded the modpath directory that you get from the modpath from this website here. It downloaded that for us, and then inside of, I'll just tell you how it worked. Inside, it went to the source files, and it took all of these Fortran files and did some magic and turned them into an executable that we can use, which is very nice. So it's in this directory here, temp. So I'm gonna copy this personally because I like to keep it in a nice location. So that'll take me up into there. I want to keep going up in the directory. No, I don't. Back down to this one. So it's just, oh, no, I don't want to do copy. I want to do move. Move. What's the name of this file? MP6. Into that directory. Okay, and then we could just change into that directory there, and as you can see, there's the file. Okay, I just wanted to show you the end, and so here is the modpath section, and as you can see, the exe name is now directed to there, to this area. In here, it's now directing to this correct folder, and yeah, so we just run that, and as you can see, it should output true. That's fine.